Hello again with another video here. Is Engineer Abbas one. Today I'm gonna give you a small introduction about our course. So the timeline is basically about some subjects. So it includes using Google Earth. Yeah. So we're going to open Google Earth and hit any place here. Let's say United States. Okay, let's see any place here that we can get. Alright, let's get in here. Okay, so we can get to any place using the add path method. We can add a path here, then we can save it or export it as KMZ file, then we can import it through the Civil 3D. Yeah, it's a long story, but we are going to use this way, and the other way is through the AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012. So basically our work begins with Google Earth, but only first steps. So let me show you an example here. So let me just open the Civil 3D. Alright. Here I'm going to open a project, a previous project actually, that I worked on, to show you the differences and what are mainly the subjects that we are going to talk about. So just let me open here. Okay, hit enter. And here we are. Just wait a second. Alright. Okay, close that. So this is, as you see, people, this is the horizontal alignment, the road that we made, okay, or I made in previous. So we are going to have the contour map, the one like this, okay, to find a perfect spot for us to draw our horizontal line, to get the contour maps, elevations, the labels. Yeah, see here, 308, 309, 310, yeah. So after that we're going to find the vertical curve, okay. We're going to draw the profile, this profile here, this profile provided. Going to draw her vertical curve, calculate the design elevation, the existing elevation, the station, and color fill. We're going to do a lot of things, and also the super elevation. We're going to talk about super elevation, how to calculate it, how to show it, and yeah, and I forgot to tell you that I'm going to teach you or to make some explanations about the using of some of these tools, such as alignment, what else, corridors, profiles, yeah, a lot of these. So what else we're going to cover here is the materials. We're going to find the total volume materials, which has the fill area, car area, fill volume stuff, yeah. We're going to reach to the end, yeah, like this. This is a cumulative cut volume, and this is a cumulative fill volume, yeah. So we are going to build our own project. Not this is just a file that I have, okay. We're going to do our own project. I hope it won't be long, so I will try to be more accurate about the points we're going to talk about to avoid misleadings. So extra information, we can draw the cross section of the road, which we call corridor. Yeah, we can add the specifications of it. What else we can do is we can draw the cross sections like this. Yeah, cross sections at every station, like here 360, 380, 400. So here guys, this is mainly what our course is going to be about. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't take long, and wait me in the next video that I will begin with contour maps. Thank you everyone. This is Engineer Abbas. I will talk to you later.